Welcome to Technical Drawing. Now in this sum we will draw front view, top view and left hand side view. Yes, pictorial view is given. We will draw front view, top view, side view. See, it is like this. So when you see from the front you will see yellow portion. When you see from the top you will see red portion. And when you will see from the side you will see blue portion. So we need to draw front view, top view and side view using first angle. Now when observer will see from here, yes, we need to draw front view, top view and side view. So first we need to draw layout. Length is 50, height is 30 and width is 30. See this. Height is 20 plus 10, 30 and width is 30. So first we will draw layout. We'll mark 50 mm. Always remember, always start with layout so you will know how much space you are going to occupy. How much space you will need for your sum. We are converting 3-dimensional object into 2-dimensional object. So this is called layout. So we have drawn front view where we can see only length and height. So we have marked 50, height is 30. Then we will leave 20. Why we leave 20? For dimensioning, for writing front view in guideline, for that purpose. You can leave whatever you want to leave. So this is top view, which is 50 by 30 because width is 30. Then I will extend these lines wherever it will intersect with the 45-degree line. From there I will draw vertical line. This is for side view. We can project side view like this. See this. Draw line wherever it will cut with the 45-degree line. This is 45 degree. From there we can take it up. So we got front view, top view and side view. Layout. Now this is what we will see in front view. So we'll see A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. So A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. Right? See this. This is what we have to draw in front view. So first we will mark 50. Height is how much? 10, right? First we'll mark AB, which is 50. CD is how much? 10. BC is 10 and AD is 10 and CD is 50. So we got first part. Now see this, how much it is up? 20. So from here, which is Q, 20 by 20 rectangle we need to draw. So sorry, square. So Q to R is 20. R to S is 20 and S to P is also 20. So we'll mark 20, 20, 20. So we'll get the required front view, right? 2 rectangles we'll get, 1 rectangle and 1 square. Now in top view we'll see this. So I can write this as 1, then this point is 2, which is behind 3, right? So I can write 3.4, 5 and 6. So I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now see that this is how it will look in top view. 2 rectangles. This part 20 by 10. So you need to project from front view. See this. This we will take 20 by 10. We can mark points 3, 4 and RS if you want to write. This labeling is only for your understanding. In exam we don't have to write all this. You can write R, S. See this portion now, remaining portion. So that also we can draw. So we are done with top view of this sum. Now you want to name, you can write 5, 6, DC, right? RS. Initially if you write, then it will be easier for your understanding. later on you can ignore. Now see this portion 20 by 10, which is P. It is over here. And this portion, which is M, which is over here. See this. So it is easier to identify. This is N. So the N and O. So these two portions we are going to draw it in side view. So in side view, you will see like this, two rectangle. One is 30 by 10 and other one is 20 by 10. M and O. See this. So first we will draw that. We'll take height 10, which we can project from front view, and we can take it directly like this. So N part is done. Now O. For O we can take 10 mm. This is N. See, or we can take lines from top view. This will be the best way to do it. Instead of taking dimension, you can take it from top view. So this will be 10 only, because we have taken 45 degree for projection, and we got side view as well, which is part O and N. Now after this we will do dimensioning and labeling. Labeling is already done, front view, top view and side view. Top view I will write afterwards. See this. Dimensioning we will do. Always remember, smaller dimension will come inside and bigger dimension, in this case 30, which will come outside, 10 will come inside. Yeah, so I've written front view and side view. I need to write top view. Thank you.